Are you looking for the best gas welding torches? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best gas welding torches on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. High-intensity propane torch head with superior ignition. The Propane torch offers superior ignition mechanism, stable performance, and durable construction. The built-in pressure regulator allows for horizontal or even upside-down use. The torch is made of cast aluminum, solid brass, and stainless steel for high-temperature and long-term use. It can be used for soldering, welding, heat shrinkage, snow melting, and more. The trigger start auto ignition improves fuel efficiency. The product is CSA certified and comes with a 3-year warranty and worry-free refund services. What we like: quick ignition system, adjustable flame size, durable construction, fuel efficiency, consistent performance. What we don't like: plastic button, flame not adjustable to fine. Number 2. Bernzomatic TS4000 Trigger Start Torch. The Bernzomatic TS4000 Trigger Start Torch is a propane torch that features a trigger start for easy lighting and instant on-off. Its stainless steel burn tube, cast aluminum body, and brass burn tip make it a durable option. The pressure regulation allows the flame to burn in any direction and ensures consistent performance. Its head produces a swirl flame and can burn propane or MAP gas, making it a high-performance tool for various applications. What we like: high-quality metal construction, reliable ignition performance, can be used in any position, good weight balance, convenient for various tasks. What we don't like: no adjustable flame control, limited instructions provided. Number 3. Torch Oxypropane Welding Kit. The Torch welding kit is designed for serious metalworkers and jewelers who need a reliable tool. It produces a powerful flame that can reach temperatures of up to 5,252 degrees Fahrenheit 2,900 degrees Celsius, making it ideal for cutting, welding, brazing, and soldering. The kit features solid brass fittings and a heavy-duty design, ensuring durability for long-term use. Its pinpoint burner tip allows for precise control, providing you the ability to focus the heat exactly where it's needed. Plus, it comes with free accessories like a sturdy cylinder stand rack and a flint lighter, adding convenience to your projects. What we like: effective for precision tasks, compact and portable design, good heat output, affordable for a mini torch, adaptable to larger oxygen tanks. What we don't like: oxygen valve can be fussy, gas knobs are overly sensitive. Number 4. GasBRUH Propane Torch Kit. The GasBRUH Torch Kit is a high-intensity tool that produces a powerful blue swirl flame, reaching temperatures of up to 3,800 degrees Fahrenheit with MAP gas. This makes it ideal for large projects like welding or brazing copper pipes. Its unique design allows you to use it at any angle, ensuring versatility in your tasks. The durable materials, including a cast aluminum body and brass components, enhance its longevity, providing you with a reliable tool for years. Plus, the easy one-click ignition simplifies the process, saving you time and effort while maximizing fuel efficiency. What we like: solid construction, easy ignition, strong, consistent flame, good value for money, flame lock feature. What we don't like: no flame adjustment, potential gas leakage. Number 5. RTMMFG High-Intensity Propane Torch Head. The RTMMFG propane torch features a high-intensity swirl flame that reaches up to 3730 F with MAP gas, ensuring the heat needed for various tasks. Its easy operation with an automatic start/stop ignition button and instant trigger ignition enhances fuel efficiency. Made from durable materials, this torch is ideal for welding, brazing, soldering, and more. The product also comes with a 1-year warranty for customer satisfaction. What we like: easy one-handed operation, 2 nozzle options included. Excellent flame control. Solid metal construction. Good value for the price. What we don't like. Potential safety concerns. Button may get stuck.